Hey yo, my name is Levis Flow, and I'll be performing track like Never Left. When in the track like truly guys like I'm actually they claiming that they rap but truly. So like yeah, I had to write this track but yeah, motivate my shit. Yo, listen. Shout out to Triplicates.
Yo, ha, back on this shit. They didn't show respect when I first stepped into that game. Now they dancing on my neck like I'm wearing heavy chains. My pennies are erect as I am fucking out of game. I can't prepare, no time for bed. Only lyrics on my head. Don't be scared, it's not a dread. Playing with your fucking head. Undercover killer, I'll kill you undercover. They won't see us, no be balaclava. Boy, abanucava, class is here. Yes, a local Kelly Peter, abanucava, class and figure. Ulo lyric as a highway, tutula kazi. Keputhuma kule namba sayikungcula ikasi ndlala inamba kodwa inombolo wanyazi haha anyazi inanizibhari uloliwe kazaharu yayidudula kazi keputhuma kule namba sayikungcula ikasi ndlala inamba kodwa inombolo wanyazi haha anyazi inanizibhari. Man, I'm back like I never left. Find me on my place where the devil is. Okon thule ndiyabona kwenseke next komrapa basekasi where the problem is. Man, I'm back like I never left. 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 Nigga, I'm back like I never left. Excess un tester, wash on, tryna see my best side. If a nigga kept up on my name, that's a suicide. Hairstyle, cause a nigga pull up with the tape, I soon test on. Trouble like you slow and with Drake and a baker. Make a send the ball and the chest, I can better. Pagameli blues in my chest, I was Mella. I'm not the Yimboos who was beggar. But when the beef, gonna switch you beggar pen. I'm back like I never left, go on him kill it. Utwele no kanya, you put it fikile. I'm gonna change the game, izinto zichikile. Ndashiwa nangutata nothini kwenzekile ngoku ndiyindoda apha ekhaya ndithembekile lento ndenzinje emele ifamily alityile noba ngebibhit ndizayikhabisa ibhekile nigga I don't need a mirror mna ndihlala ndisibhekile. Man, I'm back like I never left. Find me on my place where the devil is. Okonthule ndiyabona kwenzeke next komrapa basekasi where the problem is. Man, I'm back like I never left. 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 Nigga, I'm back like I never left.
Yeah. Track number 2.
Yo,
68,
let me
75.
flow on a
Yeah.
beat.
Inspire like Bonga la machi
Entertainment.
look up to me. And la machi yeah.
When I spit lines, there's a show and the pussy. You don't wanna see me whizzing, fala mehlo asikuthi. CJ75 uzohlangana nengozi. I came from the bozi khuzu ukhuliswe ngomlozi. Uzungawothi, umlilo zeno flow, uyachisa uzungawothi, umlilo zeno khule ngokuphuza amandla ndomelela ndizidosi flow izengamandla bambelela andikuposi irap eziva amandla ndizayithumela kwinkosi oyilibawo ithethelela ndingumoni. I'm back in this bitch. Don't relax, man, this bad. I need racks, only luxury in my list. I rap on them beats. Talk my shit every time I release. Then they coupe heli hits. Yeah, guess what, mama? Tencha imbamba. Kanke sanda. Yeah, genza ilanda. Kangen fune koda ngomna ndiyabhala. Aphekas mculo wamba uyawuthanda, man. I'm back in this bitch. Don't relax, man, this bad. I need racks, only luxury in my list. I rap on them beats, talk my shit every time I release. And they coupe heli hits. My shit every time, and they coupe heli hits.
Track number 3, yeah, unyamezela. So dibhale because of like I've been through a lot, yeah. Grief. Zonke ezo zinto ke ngoku loo nto khange ndiyenze like uba mandihlale phansi like I had to grind for my fam.
Fuwezenzela apho kumnyama khona ubelikhandlela akekho wathi zabalula lendlela impilo engcono ihamba nonyamezela vuka zenzela apho kumnyama khona ubelikhandlela akekho wathi zabalula lendlela impilo engcono ihamba nonyamezela umnandi vuka nphandi umnandi vuka nphandi umnandi vuka nphandi besebenzela umndeni wami umnandi vuka nphandi umnandi vuka nphandi umnandi vuka nphandi besebenzela umndeni wami yo nabantu vuka ekuseni yesekile mina as long ngibeke isonke etafileni bazamile untakata but baswabile abanzuka khona so it's hard man sola nenhlupheko asilali I'm sorry for kulahlekelwa umzali if you wanna cry it is okay I know that nobody can handle your pain wake up and thank God for the next day hlala uyazi asivuka ngasonke sivuka ngasonke jo vuka zenzela apho kumnyama khona ubelikhandlela akekho wathi zabalula lendlela impilo engcono ihamba nonyamezela vuka zenzela apho kumnyama khona ubelikhandlela akekho wathi zabalula lendlela impilo engcono ihamba nonyamezela umnandi vuka nphandi umnandi vuka nphandi umnandi vuka nphandi besebenzela umndeni wami umnandi vuka nphandi umnandi vuka nphandi umnandi vuka nphandi besebenzela umndeni wami yeah listen ishile imava khange sixole ishile uxulu khange sixole shiywa nguyaka khange sixole shiywa ngitama uni khange sixole ngoku shiywa ngixole cinga saphina sixole I wonder who is next man imake itsube zole candy zole they made it to the other side they will forever live in our hearts and you and Sima with the naked eye man they gotta be in paradise
Yeah. Yeah, Lavish Flow. Shout out to Comfort Zone for having me in the studio. Yeah, and Tolakale Dixie. 6875. Yeah.
Vuka nphandi mnandi vuka nphandi ikusega marizo great yam
Short time.
and sharp there man but otherwise I'm too close to be stressed man I'm too close to be stressed anyway lo super nice let keep on 100 ito janlo no bojali and hey sisahlala man beyond the zone team I'm in the comfort zone team inside the transmitter team sacinga ubana mama siniphathele something new as well as sichilo kwi post yethu ba siyayibuild a network so ngusiphathele something new fresh beyond the zone you understand lapho kana sibiza khona iartists lapha ekazi such as
Flow Dance. Yeah.
nezinye artists mhlawumbe but asizodwela too much asizugxila mhlawumbe kwi-musicians zodwa nembongi mhlawumbe if uyimbongi lo eso skill eso ufuna ushowa uzozwakala sohlala napho ku-beyond zone sikushute yembe ningayicali ndokuthi sivuka siphande basiqala kula track nje ngiboselekela ko mama inika yintoni ke inspiration uma ubethe la track me bro because ngendlela endiva ngayo mina engathi hey udike into deeper because umentionne nabantu abashile kulonyaka RIP to them bekwenza kanone man ka track leya
Yeah, la track time like. La track di track bethu TCM leya. Yenzile kulonyaka like ngoJanuary, bhala ngoJanuary. Like kodwa like ngoMarch. Lenenzini bhala la track like.
kampani
Yeah, like I lost the family time like leminyaka eqedileyo.
yeah
Ngengokulona. Don't
like family like zinjani brother sister ulithi ubani
yeah, I would say I lost like time man like
sure
no lead back like sister zakhe.
sure
Yeah, we like bena 10 kodwa la ngoyenza lezo zinto.
ne
Yeah, kangoku like demondi kula like iyanibetha like akhikha ngolawi bahama nitse
ukani
lewe yeah ta ngoku like I wanted to express the feelings yeah ngoku like ndinabona like umculo ngathi like kuzoba into better like bamandi event ta yeah into zinja bamandi event nami ta ile pain lina sound like konto relate hayo phandle
I understand
yeah ta ndenzela nabo bana so la track like that Ekufuna like yeah man.
Yeah, ndakubamba
Yeah,
ungathi ube emotional ndo yakuthi man because yona itrack yona even though i-message yayo icacisa ngendlela icacisa ngayo but imandi man la track, you understand? Yaziba nawo switch uba abanye abantu bazo like izoba relatable kwabanye abantu mhlawumbe sebesukugqitha le uyogqithe kuyo wena, you understand? Izoba motivator, yaziba nawe ikumotivatile njengoba uthi mos i-therapy yakho umculo, so khona nabanye xa bemamele umculo i-therapy yabo leyo, so nabo xa bemamele le track bazoba sharp man, you understand? So indlela e-sharp leyo yoba mawukhuphe ezi emotions lapha kuwe ndingavi ngawe sokuthiwa yobethi imithi kustressa kanye ishaye zonke ezoyini. Sibuyele ku-track number 2 but be-sharp man, be-sharp suka siphanda yikho indlela ayivile nabo i-track, you understand? Hey, kanti kubuza uba ngubani mna kodwa ufumaneka phi kwi-medias yonke leyo into kusenguvuka niphande man. Ngubani weli gama lakho ta like original name, stage name, umedia ufumaneka phi?
Yeah, my original name tangu Latita.
Sure.
Yeah. And the stage name yam like bingu Lavish Flow.
Namnokhumbula nsi.
Yeah. But ke ngoku like ikame ngexesha latshintshiwe.
Sure.
Yeah, so like ndiyaceba manje change igama man. Yabo. And ke ngoku into ndi find out that like baninzi man uLavish Flow.
Apikazi okanye like
yeah like yeah. Ngisearch abantu like i-producer abanye isinger. Yeah, so ngokuqala like ndiyaceba man create igama lami man. Bona so like Flow Dance like andimiyeke la Flow. Yeah, Flow Dance. Yeah. So tholakala Dix, yeah, 6875. And
social media,
Instagram, yeah, Facebook, same Lavish Flow, and so change soon.
Okay, Flow.
Yeah. Umculo netiyeta ngofumanike but like
akabi na platform ekrende release.
Yeah, platform ekrende, afuna platform ekrende. Yeah. And ngoma like i-beats and just download.
So like meaning copyright okay.
Yeah, ta.
Okay, track number 2. We see track number 2. Sibuyele back to you.
Zungawuthi.
You wanna what inspired la track mndakwethu?
Zungawuthi like I think ingama la track like bona. Mlilo zeno flow. Yachisa so Zungawuthi. And one from the rap and test ayo ta.
Why do?
Yeah. Yeah, and push ayo ta. I go like and then the bandu. Yeah, it's been chill like like denzela mapha. Yeah. Event there indlela right darling ngagciniwe like bona phakathi. Yeah. So Zungawuthi like yeah, benifuna nebhenga ta because bona.
Yeah,
like ngenda drop last year. Ndi drop up Audio Mark. Yeah.
So okay.
No Haikabi Pras. Bengakwana umdropa ku Spotify because like be type beat kwaleya.
Lebunayo binayo be track inqanywa ngabahlali.
Yeah.
Number 1 track number 1 yona kwenzeka noni what inspired la track?
Okay, never left.
And I never left nokubikala ukhona lines uzithethile perfection ngene track. And as no penetration rappers nathought uzodisa umuntu
like I track like ndendenze ndibhale like amrapper like khona bacula man baninzi amrapper because yeah like abanye bazifihlile like abanye bakhona bako Facebook yabo nezinjalo so ke ngokuta like bengena vayi like isikhathi sibhaya so naphinda nabuya yeah engongo like ekubuyeni kwami bonile ba akho umuntu udropaya because akho ndenzekayo and baninzi amrapper
because
baninzi amrapper ta so like ngabhala la ngoma bhalise loyita yeah man machukumi kazi
we just to inspire by express masingazibiza nje rappers but akho ndisiyenza ngeke culture yethu because yafa kodwa sithi sinoma rappers baninzi
live
ne
yeah njalo bro
ndingafaka amagama emlonyeni ukuze amalongo kanje
awufaka amagama emlonyeni
awunya
yeah ta
but before sizivala mna yayi ngaziva so 3 years track khona le ubani uyiculanga jo bengicinga uzuyifaka jo and ibizokhalisa abahlali yo fike ngifakanga la
ngangiphi la ibhola
abuti yethu baby
Asuza so Buddha.
Eboleya
Alantime nyane. Yeah, tayo.
yo
Qing alungoma.
but yala weli ya form not before sizoyivala ingayitreke intsembuli yami anani bokuthola i-adlib andiyazi manje abantu bomculo uthathe nje la way uyibethe ifake ku-track uqale ngayo sorrow to ayo to pudding baby
Yo,
okay
shout out.
that's fair one
Yeah, flow dance.
yes sir
It's flow dance on the building. Yeah.
njengoba bese okay
Shout out to Triple K's Lamachita, Talan Pusha now, and Ngomba says a year. Shout out to you guys. Yeah,
so i-triple case gang yakho leyo ne
yeah, I can,
Pusha
Pusha now.
so yeah sikazi only copyright track ezimntakuthi asazibethileyo ngoku so i-release dates uzophinda buyele kuthi
Yeah.
njengoba yazile ngokuthi yezo introducer kuni yakudala ekhoyo
Yeah.
but engenye nenye information izoyiva kuthi so yeah man this was Beyond the Zone artist eshaya ngoba kudonga eli showcase talent yakho ngarapper poet ne-monologues uzazifuma monologues yonke way mane i-showcase after ufuna ukucula ushenge wezakho akaphela choral yonke lo way long joke but okay yonke loo nto yeah man Beyond the Zone not comfort zone Beyond the Zone le specific podcast uzoyiposta ku-YouTube because of Sky own copyright understand so Facebook asuze uposta ku-YouTube because Sky own copyright so sifuni uyitsalayo but yeah man bendino flow test yes sir
So,
Beyond the Zone baby
danke, Khathi.